Chapter 1. What exactly is the TLC diet? This diet focuses mainly on modifying the increasing or already hyped levels of cholesterol. When the body contains an excessive level of cholesterol, over time, it weakens the heart and causes several fatal conditions, like a sudden heart attack and stroke, among other serious cardiovascular conditions. It is highly recommended to take charge of your body and health before it worsens beyond repair. This diet encourages healthy measures to lower cholesterol levels by means of diet, exercise, and other related methods. It also brings successful weight loss in its wake. For all those struggling with weight loss or health conditions, the TLC diet is a great way to kickstart your way to good health and well-being. The Therapeutic Lifestyle Changes Diet was initially coined by the National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute in the year 2001. Due to its beneficial nature, the diet has also been approved and encouraged by the American Heart Association. The diet aims to reduce the LDL levels of cholesterol, also known as the bad cholesterol, which is held responsible for triggering cardiovascular complications. The diet focuses mainly on healthy food options that have been coupled with suitable exercise and required lifestyle changes to help speed the process of recovery without any medications. It not just keeps the LDL levels in control, but also works towards providing the body the right level of HDL, or the good, healthy cholesterol, that is required by the body for proper functioning, induced growth, and development. Although the diet does bring about some weight loss in its process, the goal is improved health by controlling cholesterol, more than focusing solely on losing weight. Well, that's a quick overview of what the TLC diet is. Over the next few chapters, we will cover exactly what cholesterol is, the benefits of starting a TLC diet program, and what foods you need to include in your everyday diet.